Welcome back to Daily English Conversations. I'm July, and today we're bringing you part 8 of our practice series with Anna. That's right! It's Tuesday afternoon, and July and I are meeting at the campus library for our review session. Let's listen in. Hey, July! Over here! I reserved a quiet desk near the window for us. Hi, Anna. Thanks for grabbing the spot. How was your Monday? It was pretty busy, but I'm ready to study. Did you get a chance to review yesterday's grammar lesson? I did. The teacher covered present perfect tense, but I'm still a little confused about when to use for versus since. Oh, I can help with that. Use for when talking about a duration of time, like for 3 years, and since for a specific starting point, like since 2020. That makes so much sense. So I would say I have studied English for 2 months, but I have lived here since January? Spot on! You nailed it on your first try, July! Thanks to your explanation, studying together really makes a huge difference. It sure does. Now, let's practice writing 5 practice sentences together to lock it in. Do you find grammar easier to learn when studying with a friend? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed part 8, please like, share, and subscribe for more real-life English practice. Keep learning and see you next time. Bye!